Hey guys, this is Self Poster Part 3. Hopefully by now you've already written your rough draft of your index card, so you have something like this. I've created an example of what mine might look like if I was doing school. Once again, you are not allowed to do school as your cell. That is off limits for you. But once you have gotten this signed off by your teacher, your next step is your teacher should be giving you a poster and a paper clip with 8 index cards. Obviously, 4 of them will be for you, 4 of them will be for your partner. I'm going to show you how to do the index cards and tape them onto the poster. So it's exactly the way you wrote it on the index card. You have to make sure that you use your Chromebook to help you with spelling, because we do expect these index cards to be very nicely written and to be spelled properly. So you're going to start with the index cards are a little bit, they're not quite square, they're kind of rectangular shaped. So instead of putting them this way, you want to make sure that you're writing this way to where the longer edge is like landscape style instead of portrait style, if that makes sense, because then they'll fit on your poster. Otherwise, they won't fit very well on your poster. So I'm going to do my nucleus card first. So I'm going to do the front. The front should be the side without the lines. And I'm just going to copy it and make it exactly like this. So I've got, for me, it's going to be office. And please try to take up as much of the card as you can. Don't write super small. It's very hard to read when you guys write super small. Office is to school as nucleus is to cell. And then you have to make sure, this is very important, that you flip it backwards to write the function, because it's going to be taped right here. So we're going to flip it backwards, and I'm going to write function. Command center. Sorry about that. And then again, another important thing is to write your name first and last so that we know which ones you were in charge of. Okay? After that, you're going to get a piece of tape. You're going to tape them on the sides of the poster. Let me zoom out again. And we would like you to tape all of your index cards on one side. So I would get a piece of tape and I'd be taping it right around here. Okay, if I had a piece of tape, that's where it would be. And you're going to tape all of yours on one side. And then your partner is going to tape theirs on the opposite side. And that will save room for your centerpiece and your title to go right here. All right, so then when you flip it over, you'll be able to see the function. And then your tiny cells that we're going to give you later will be underneath.